Hello everyone, how are you today? So, guys, today the session is on a new question, and the question is somewhat related to advertising, but why the companies are sponsoring sports, okay, or sports event. We can say either of two things, sports or sports event को क्यों वो sponsor करते हैं, and definitely it is a way to advertise themselves, okay. So some people think it is good while others think there are disadvantages. Here the question is discuss both views and give your opinion. Guys, I have got to know one thing. Basically, when you're going through a question like such, you are confused. When exactly to use examples, how to use example, this is actually what I got to know. Okay? So, how to use examples, when to use examples, can we use interrogative sentence or not? Okay, I'll just recommend you guys to go through my two videos. One is this sample answer band 7, and the other one is writing masterclass. Okay, I'll recommend you to go through these two classes in order to clear all your doubts or all your queries related to this. When you will see the sample answer, you will get to know how exactly you need to write. Okay, and when you're going to go through my writing masterclass, you'll just know what exactly do you need to write, what all do you need to focus on. I have explained everything clearly in this class. This session is of somewhere around 40 minutes. As far as sample answer band 7 is concerned, this is of somewhere around 25 to 30 minutes. So I'll just recommend you to go through these two videos. These two will help you tremendously. If you are unable to, you actually do not know how to start body paragraph 1. I'm really sorry, I forgot the name of the student, but yes, I remember she asked regarding beginning of body paragraphs. She was like, she was confused and she wanted to ask how do we need to start body paragraph 1 or body paragraph 2, what exactly do we need to do. For that, once you'll go through my sample answer, you'll exactly know you'll exactly know what to do. You will be able to figure out every single thing on your own after going through these two videos. These sessions I am preparing, the live sessions I am giving you, these are on essay. Okay, so basically on essay topics. Monday to Saturday I'll be giving you these sessions, but my plan is this Monday to Saturday definitely. My plan is to give you Monday to Friday writing sessions, and Saturday I'll give you some random topic. So just watch out for this. And I also like being a part of your lives, especially during this lockdown when you are stuck at your home, you cannot do anything. So I'm here to help you. So I hope it is helping you and it will definitely benefit you. So let's get started without wasting further time. This was one of the, like, these were 2 3 queries which I actually received, and I wanted to tell you about these two videos. So just go through these two. I'm going to put the link in the description as well. You might see the link on the screen as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the links in the description. So go through these two videos. Very, very actually, I can say very useful videos, essential for everyone who is preparing for IELTS and who is unable to score 7 band in IELTS writing or even 6 band in IELTS writing. Just go through this. You'll learn something new for sure. Okay guys, let's get started now without wasting further time. And देखो, we, what do I tell you? I have explained only one thing. Whenever we have a question, I want you to understand the question thoroughly before even proceeding to plan the answer. Okay, so some companies sponsor sports or sports event. We can write either of two things as a way to advertise themselves. Okay, so some companies sponsor sports to advertise, okay, themselves. Some think it's good, some think is good, okay, think it's good, while others think there are disadvantages. So according to others, disadvantages are, for some it is good. Discuss both views and give your opinion. I have received comments like such as well, guys. You are actually confused, you don't know what exactly to do. Dekho, I'm not explaining you a particular question, though I am taking a question here, but it's just to give you an idea, okay? But I am explaining you a particular topic. The same essay can be agree or disagree, okay? The same essay can be what is your opinion only. What is your opinion? In that case, you are going to tell either of two sides पे होगा या फिर partial opinion you will give, okay? So that also can be similar essay. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Okay, what are the problems associated to this? Why is it being caused? So a question can be, this statement can be same. Try to understand, the statement is same and the question can be altogether different. They can take agree or disagree, they can take discuss both views, they can take advantages, disadvantages, problem solution. But what exactly you need to do, you need to just figure out two ways, okay? So you should have some points in favor of the topic and some points against the topic. If you know some points in favor of the topic and some against the topic, you'll not face any problem. So that's what we are doing in these sessions, okay? So the question is clearly stating some company sponsors sports event as a way to advertise themselves. Some people think it is good while others think there are disadvantages, okay? So what exactly happened here कि people are saying companies can showcase, अब क्यों हो रहा है ये, we need to understand this कि company sponsor कर रहे हैं, they said discuss both views, मतलब why it is good. So our first question is in body paragraph 1, why, ठीक है, sponsoring, ठीक है, why companies sponsoring. I hope you all are able to read my handwriting. If you're unable to do, let me know so that I can take care of this as well. I want it to be legible so that you'll not face any problem. So why companies sponsoring sports event? ठीक है? So why sponsoring sports event by companies is good? Simple. Why sponsoring sports event is good? I'm really sorry, guys. Yeah, must be some of our students only. Yeah. Okay, so why companies sponsoring sports event is good. Okay, so why companies sponsoring sports event is good? अगर companies, why sponsoring sports event by companies is good? Simple. Question is this: why sponsoring sports event is good? Okay, we have to answer this, and then we have the next one. Why Okay, so we have 2 points here. We have two views here. Why sponsoring sports event is good? Why it is bad or harmful? Okay, so we know companies are sponsoring sports event. Okay, so we exactly know this. Why companies sponsoring sports event good? Why companies sponsoring sports event harmful? So that's the whole question about कि companies का sponsor करना sports event अच्छा क्यों है और गलत क्यों है? We should have minimum 3 points and then only we'll decide which 2 points we want to write. Okay, so the first point here, why sponsoring sports event is good? Definitely good for the company's business. Okay, business growth हो रही है. Okay, growth and sales हो रही है. We can actually write so. Okay, so tremendously increasing sales in, ठीक है, tremendously increasing sales. So that's what is here. Now we have the second point. First point is अगर वो sponsor कर रहे हैं sports event, why is it good? It is good because their business growth, their growth is like sales are increasing. ठीक है, there is growth in sales, sales are increasing. ठीक है, number of sales is increasing. Okay, we can say so. But what exactly? They can showcase their products when they are sponsoring sports events. They can actually showcase their product, showcase their products. Okay, now we have 2 points here. Company's business growth ठीक है हो रही है, ग्रोथ हो रही है उनकी सेल्स में, नंबर इंक्रीजिंग, ठीक है, द नंबर इज इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन इट कम इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेल्स, ठीक है. They can showcase their products, okay, when they are sponsoring some sports event, when they are sponsoring some sports team. So what exactly are they doing? They are showcasing their products, and that's what is benefiting the company, okay. Next, और क्या हो सकता है? They can link their name to successful players. So they can actually link their names to successful players, and it will definitely link their name to successful players. Okay, and what exactly will happen through this? Not only company, it will give a good exposure to the company, not only to the company but also to its brand. So what is happening? Good exposure to the company, not only to the company but also to the brand. But also to the brand or to its brand. That's what is happening. So guys, practically speaking, now look at the question again. Some companies sponsor, okay? So instead of companies, what can be written? Sponsors. Some companies sponsor sports event as a way to advertise themselves, or advertise ki jagah we can just write marketing, for marketing purposes, okay, for motive of marketing, for promoting their brand, for promoting, okay. Some companies are few, instead of some you can actually write a few, okay, a few brands, a few organizations sponsor sports team, okay. So what are they doing? They are sponsoring sports team, okay, as a way to market themselves, or as a in order to promote their brand, or for marketing purposes they are sponsoring various companies, or they are helping these companies financially, we can say so. So we have got the question properly, we have understood. We know they are asking both views and give your opinion. Our opinion can be on either of two sides, or our opinion can be partial as well, okay. We have to state our opinion in introduction and rephrase our opinion in, yes, rephrase the opinion and conclusion as well. So that's what we are doing. We understood the first point properly, why sponsoring sports event is good. So company's business growth ho rahi hai, okay. So boost in economy, sorry, boost in sales of the company, growth in sales or boost in sales, ठीक है. They can showcase their product, they can link their name to successful players, good exposure not only to the company but also to its brands, but also to its brand, not only to the company but also to its brands, because एक ही company के there are various brands, so it's not only beneficial for the company but also beneficial for various brands associated with the same company. So we have understood why is it good, but now the point is why it is harmful, because others think it is harmful. So why they think it is harmful, we have to write this only, why it is harmful or why it is bad. So we are going to write this only, okay. The first point, why it is bad. So what is happening at times, companies, yes, there are various companies, they are promoting, okay, advertising products harmful for health such as tobacco. So they are advertising products, yes, harmful for health, okay, such as tobacco. So we can clearly give example of this, we can clearly give example of some on the basis of an article published in the Times, ठीक है, or an article published in the Times stated that when you'll go through my sample answer band 7, you'll actually get to know everything. जब मैं अपने online classes भी पढ़ाती हूँ तो उसमें भी I make it a point, I show them sample answers, I explain them the way I wrote, then I tell them you have to write like this only, I explain them the method of writing as well. So that's what we do. So make it a point, go through my sample answer and master class in writing. You'll get to know how exactly this needs to be done. Once you'll go through one of my sample answers, you will get to know exactly. You'll get to know the exact method. Okay. So companies are advertising products harmful for health such as tobacco, ठीक है, or even liquor. That's what they are doing. They are advertising products harmful for the health. So that is harmful, that is bad. Another thing, players ka, if the players negative behavior will be, it is not only harmful for the people but also for the company at times. So players ka negative behavior hai, let's say there is some player and he is a drug addict, okay, he is basically a drug addict. So what will happen, it is not only spoiling the reputation of the player, okay, definitely it is spoiling, but also the reputation of the company. So player ka negative behavior, if he is a drug, he or she is a drug addict, then what is happening, it is harming the reputation of the company. Okay, it will affect company's reputation. So I believe you must have understood. Dekho, simply speaking, guys, first is why companies, when companies are sponsoring, why sponsoring sports event is good. Definitely some companies are sponsoring. Why sponsoring sports event is good? Because it is boosting the sales. It is increasing the number. When it comes to sales, कंपनी की बिजनेस ग्रोथ हो रही है, ओके, वो अपने प्रोडक्ट शोकेस कर सकते हैं, दे कैन लिंक देयर नेम टू सक्सेसफुल प्लेयर. It is not only good exposure to the company but also to its brand, okay, so they are getting publicity, okay, but bad publicity is never welcome. So here we are saying why it is harmful, companies advertising products harmful for health such as tobacco and liquor. So these are harmful for the health of the nation or for the health of youth, for the health of individuals, okay. So that's what one of the harmful, one of the negatives. Then the next negative है कि अगर player in negative behavior है, player is a drug addict, player is abusive, player doesn't know how to behave, then it is spoiling, it is not only spoiling players reputation but also company's image, okay, in terms of in front of people, ठीक है, और in front of its consumers. So कंपनी के कंज्यूमर्स के सामने उनकी इमेज इज गेटिंग स्पॉइल्ड, डिटीरियोरेट हो रही है, देयर इमेज इज गेटिंग डिटीरियोरेटेड. सो कंपनीज इमेज is getting deteriorated, it's deteriorated. So these are the two views. Don't take any question as discuss both views. Do you agree or disagree? Try to understand the points only. If the question is discuss both views, what exactly are we going to write? Let me just change the color and I believe you'll understand it in detail. So when we are saying, when we are taking this question as discuss both views and give your opinion. So in the first body paragraph, we are discussing first view. We can write maximum of 2 reasons, more than enough है, 2 reasons. If you want third, you can correlate the third with the, जैसे you want to explore अब here growth and sales has showcase their product, but these 3 points are different, you will have to explain all 3 differently, okay, but the points at times there are 2 points similar to each other, then you can include those 2 points in a single one only, okay, you can actually add on some information with one particular point. So that's in body paragraph 1, company's business growth and all. Then we have sorry, then we have body paragraph 2, and in body paragraph 2 why it is harmful, so matlab others ka opinion, and last mein it is, I always write my opinion in introduction as well as in conclusion. So what exactly needs to be done here? When it comes to conclusion, guys, you're going to go through the conclusion. You'll definitely write conclusion, and in conclusion you can partially state, although companies, okay, although the business, although there is a huge business growth, or their business is flourishing, okay, although there is a huge business growth for companies when they advertise sports events, comma, it is harmful for the youth of the nation as they are promoting products such as tobacco and liquor. So we can write conclusion like such only. So guys, if you're still unable to understand this, please go to these two videos of mine, sample answer band 7. You're going to find these two in my writing playlist as well. I'm going to add the link in the description as well, and writing masterclass. Go through these two, you'll understand everything in detail for sure. So discuss both views is like this. If it would have been, give your opinion only, or do you agree or disagree? If it would have been, do you agree or disagree, we would have written only agreement points, and in both paragraphs we would have written if we agree. Okay, then okay, if we agreed, then we would have written these 3 points in 2 paragraphs, and if we disagree, then these two. But the question is both views, so you can write this way as well and this way as well. And if you want to give your opinion, you can clearly state your opinion like such कि I partially, okay, I believe it is definitely both the things are beneficial, and I believe when companies sponsor sports event, it is definitely a way to advertise themselves. It is a definitely a method to boost their sales. But on the other hand, they should not promote such brands, or they should not promote the things such as, or commodities such as tobacco and liquor, or the products harmful for health. So I can easily state so. So guys, this is all today. I'll see you tomorrow again at 12 o'clock. So bye, take care everyone. Do write to me if you have any other queries. Bye.